Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the Hygger battery backup aquarium air pump. This is their dual outlet USB rechargeable model that works for tanks up to 120 gallons. Hygger sent this to me for review, but as always, everything you hear is based on my own testing and real world use. So let's go ahead and unbox it. First you'll get the power adapter, then you get 2 air stones, 2 check valves, 2 airline tubings, your user's guide, and of course the main device, the Hygger air pump itself. On the front, you've got the digital screen, and right below it are the touch buttons. Pretty straightforward layout. On the side, you've got 2 connectors for the tubing, one for each outlet. In the opposite side, here's your power port, and underneath you'll see the 4 rubber shock absorbing feet. This helps keep the pump stable and reduce vibration noise. For the size and weight, it's actually pretty compact for a dual outlet pump with a built-in battery. It has a nice weight to it, not too heavy, but it's heavy enough that it doesn't slide around. Setup is super simple. First I plugged the power adapter into the pump, then I connected the air stone to the tubing. Next I cut the tubing in half so I could install the check valve and make sure that the direction of the check valve is correct. I inserted both check valves, then connected the tubing to the 2 outlets on the pump. Before putting the air stones in the tank, I soaked them in the water for a few times. This helps them produce more bubbles. Before installing it, here's my old top fin air pump. I've had this for years and it's definitely time for an upgrade. I placed the new Hygger pump on the right side of the 20-gallon freshwater tank. I connected everything and let's turn it on for the first time. I tested all the buttons, airflow levels, feed mode, continuous mode, intermittent mode, and it seems to work all perfectly. This is 7, this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and this is 1. And let's change this mode to feed mode. This is the feed mode. Here's the intermittent mode. You can change the how many seconds it stops. You can change it to 2 seconds. So it just stop for 2 seconds. 1 and 2. So that's intermittent. I want to do it in continuous mode, so I'll keep it like that, and I have it in 4 dots. So one of my favorite feature is that it has a built-in 5000 milliamp. When it's plugged in, it charges, and when you unplug it, or if the power goes out, it automatically switches to battery mode. Even though outages are rare in my area, having that backup battery gives me peace of mind knowing my fish are covered no matter what. For the noise level, I was surprised how quiet it is for the pump this powerful. The rubber feet really help, and it doesn't vibrate that much in aquarium table. So the only cons I can think of is the size. I think it's a bit too big in my setup, but that's expected with the battery inside. It's not really a deal breaker for me. Other than that, overall I'm really impressed. The dual outlets, adjustable flow, 3 modes, and especially the automatic battery backup make this a solid upgrade for any aquarium. If you want something reliable or everyday use and emergencies, this Hygger pump is definitely worth checking out.